I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to change your Microsoft account password. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to account.microsoft.com, and then sign into your Microsoft account you want to change the password for. Step 2. Click Security in the menu on the left side of the screen. Security options are displayed on the right side of the screen. Step 3. Click Change Password on this screen. The Change Your Password window is shown. Step 4. Enter the password currently associated with your Microsoft account in the Current Password field. Then, enter what you want to be your new Microsoft account password in both the New Password and Re-enter Password fields. Click Save after doing this. Your Microsoft account password will be changed immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.